Dating tinawag na the City of Man. Siguro pwede nating dagdagan the City of Many Contrasts. Pag-usapan natin siguro yung socio-economic status ng mga nakatira dito. Merong mahirap, merong mayaman, at pati na rin yung mga places of interest sa dinadayo. Merong moderno, merong historical.
Hey, people, can I get your attention, please?
Full of contrasts din ang sumabak sa audition.
We believe. Remember ko sa for your identification. Mas captivate.
I love you to be a fight.
He knows how to rock and roll. He drives me crazy.
Nadaig na bawat bukas.
Napagod na siguro sa kaka-rehearse ang mga to. Kung ano-anong libangan ang napagtuunan nila. Ang weird, no? Baka naman special lang. Special din kaya ang skill niya sa pagkanta.
I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I'll never love someone the way that I love with you.
Salamat. Thank you. How much of that is very Alicia Keys? Hindi mo alam.
I think there's more to improve on.
If you don't mind, you can come back next week.
No.
It's
No?
a no? Okay. It's a no?
It's a no.
Okay.
It's a no.
Thank you, Anne. Maraming salamat.
Nabibigyan naman ako ng consent. Hindi pwede to.
Remember my name. Not now, pero sikat din ako. Hindi ako tinanggap na Philippine Idol. Naging American Idol ako.
Kung may special ang skill, meron ding special ang outfit.
Hi, my name is Bench Cruz. Idol ko si Garth Brooks.
Siya po ang katangi-tanging cowboy ng Philippine Idol. Naway hindi siya kawawain ng ating judges. Ano kayang special sa kanya bukod sa kanyang cowboy outfit?
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience, girl, to turn me out. You gotta leave it all up to me. I'll tell you what it's all about.
Ang sarap mo panoorin kasi nandun yung energy. I wanna hear your voice.
Happy na.
Mukhang di yata umubra ang cowboy outfit ni Bench.
Wow! I got it! I got it!
Itong si Cherry Chu, bit-bit na yata ang buong ang kanya.
My barangay, my mommy, my daddy, my cousin, Tita Lita, my kuya, and my lola. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's a very popular song, but I'm not gonna say the title because once I sing it, you'll know.
All right.
Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pababa ng pataas.
Cherry.
Ow. I like her.
Okay. Francis?
So I just say yes, also.
Cherry, you made it. I like you. Yes, yes. That's good.
Spaghetti.
That's one happy family. Kita nyo naman, sa Philippine Idol, meron yung walang kasama, meron yung may kasama, meron din yung lahat sinama.
Dito sa Philippine Idol, ang drama ay a family that sings together, stays together.
Kapitbahay mo, kaibigan, tropa, kahit na ano.
It's a family affair ang drama sa Philippine Idol.
Sa larangan ng pagkanta, iisa lang ang reyna. Dekada na ang binilang niya pero ni minsan, hindi siya nawala ng kinang. Dahil siya lang ang nag-iisang reyna ng pagkanta sa Asia.
Noon hanggang ngayon, walang kakupas-kupas ang nag-iisang Asia's Queen of Songs, Miss Pilita Corrales. Sumikat sa Melbourne, Australia bilang recording artist at television personality bago pa man nakilala ang mga Australian artists tulad ni Olivia Newton-John, Tina Rina at Kylie Minogue. Nagbalik sa Pilipinas at nagbigay parangal sa bansa. Unang Pilipino na nanalo sa International Music Festival. Unang Pilipinong nagtanghal sa prestigyosong Caesars Palace sa Las Vegas. Higit sa 100 na ang record album si Pilita Corrales at patuloy siyang tinatangkilik magpahanggang ngayon.
They have got to know that the first Philippine Idol will be like an ambassador, representing the Philippines. Nowadays, you have to be a little bit more total. I've handled contests for 14 years. I love to discover new talents. I want to be part of something that builds up a person. Gary, I discovered at the Kundirana in LaSalle. I was the one who put Gary first time on television. So I told the school, I said, this boy will really go places, and he did. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón. Y en el alma solo tengo soledad. Kung talagang you love this profession, you stay. But you work hard at it. Tsaka para sa akin, ang pinakasekreto ng isang tao for a person to stay in this business this long is humility.
At ano naman kaya ang tanging hahanapin ng isang Pilita Corrales sa isang Philippine Idol?
Ang hinahanap ko sa Philippine Idol ay isang singer na magaling magbihis, may itsura, may professionalism, at magiging representative ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo. A million thanks to you, my I know it's different, pero para sa akin, parang hindi pang Philippine Idol.
Away, 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 away. Come on, do that conga, no. Everybody got any longer. Play the rhythm of the music. Do that conga, no. Everybody to that beat. No way, no way, no way, no.
Hindi tong huli. Ha? Hindi tong huli. Ha? Tandaan mo yan. Babalik ako. Magpa-practice lang ako.
Ang mga Pinoy talaga, hindi umuurong sa pagkatalo. Buong-buo ang fighting spirit.
Thanks for joining Philippine Idol. Sure. We'll see you again.
Tulad na lang ni Pao.
I read here that there were very sad experiences in your life.
Yes. You had an accident?
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
2 years ago, nabaril po ako.
Nabaril ka?
I was shot.
Hold up.
Hold up po. I was fighting for the phone. Natsyempohan ako. Lumaban po ako, then tinamaan po ako behind
The ear?
tenga. Tapos lumusok po siya dito sa ilong ko.
This is her second life now, isn't it? Just to see.
Exactly. Sige, anong kakatingin mo?
Okay, I'm gonna sing something from Michael Jackson po.
When I had you to myself and then want you around, those pretty faces always made you stand out in the crowd. But someone took you from the bunch when love was all it took. Now it's much too late for me to take a second look. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back to your heart?
Nobody ever
Has
done
done.
that song as an audition piece. Jackson 5.
I know, but kasi...
No,
Okay. He's actually...
I like it actually.
Thank you.
I'm saying yes, not because of what happened to you. I think you gave me a different song. Yun, tama, hindi bumibirit, effortless. For me, pwede.
Sige, pasok ka na.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Pao, pasok ka na sa kanilang dalawa eh. So it doesn't really matter what I say. You're very musical. That's all I can say. Show them. Pakita mo. Okay, congratulations. We'll see you in the next round.
What's up?
Oh my God.
Galing.
Good job, Pao. Sama kami sa blowout, ha? Pero sa next batch, mukhang may mga maiiyak sa takot.